Are you tired of missing key points during meetings because you're too busy taking notes? Install an AI meeting assistant in under 2 minutes. Here's the exact step-by-step process to connect AI meeting assistant to your Google Calendar. Follow along with these 5 simple steps. Start by clicking the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the menu that appears, click on Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type AI Meeting to find the assistant. Now, click on the AI Meeting Assistant result from the list. Go ahead and click Install to add it to your Google Calendar. Once the installation completes, click Done to finish up. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.